Good afternoon, students. In previous lecture we studied working of 4-stroke petrol engine in internal combustion engine topic. Today we studied about working of 4-stroke diesel engine. Similar to petrol engine, in diesel engine also completed 4-stroke for 1 power stroke completed. So first stroke is suction stroke, second is compression stroke, third one is expansion stroke, it may be a power stroke, fourth one is exhaust stroke. If you see in the figure, A is suction stroke, B is compression stroke, C is expansion or power stroke, and last is exhaust stroke. Now we studied one by one. In 4-stroke diesel engine, one important element is added, it is a fuel injector. In petrol engine used spark plug for the ignition purpose, but in diesel engine use fuel injector for ignition purpose. So diesel engine is also called as compression ignition system or compression ignition engine. In petrol engine, first stroke is suction stroke, means when the inlet air from the atmosphere is enter into the cylinder from the inlet valve. That time the inside pressure of the cylinder is lower than the atmospheric pressure, so air is enter into the cylinder through the inlet valve in diesel engine. That time piston move from TDC to BDC and exhaust valve is closed in position and inlet valve is open in position. That time suction stroke is completed. This suction stroke is completed and it required 180 degree of crankshaft rotation for complete revolution. Another stroke is compression stroke. This compression stroke is start from BDC and ends at TDC. When in suction stroke air is sucked, this suction air is compressed in compression stroke, due to which its temperature and pressure is increases. At the end of the compression stroke means when piston is at TDC position. Then in suction stroke the piston is at TDC and ends at BDC position. When piston is TDC position, that time the temperature of air and pressure is increases. That time fuel is injected from fuel injector and combustion takes place. When combustion takes place, that time piston is moved from TDC to BDC in expansion stroke. In that, in suction stroke completed 180 degree of crankshaft rotation. Compression stroke also consists 180 degree and expansion stroke also consists 180 degree of crank rotation. Another is exhaust stroke. In exhaust stroke, piston is BDC position and moves at TDC position. In that, when combustion takes place in expansion stroke, these burn gases or exhaust gases shift out from the cylinder to the atmosphere in exhaust stroke. In that, these exhaust gases shift out through the exhaust valve. In that, suction valve or inlet valve is closed in position and exhaust valve in opening position. Means in working of 4-stroke diesel engine, there are 4 strokes are working suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. Out of which suction stroke is start from TDC to BDC when air is passed through the inlet valve into the cylinder. Compression stroke, piston is moved from BDC to TDC. That time air is compressed and its temperature and pressure is increases. In expansion stroke, piston move from TDC to BDC. When piston is at TDC, high temperature and pressurized air is combust when fuel is injected in that. In that time combustion takes place and piston move from TDC to BDC in expansion stroke. In exhaust stroke, piston move from BDC to TDC. In expansion stroke or power stroke, combustion takes place and these burn gases or exhaust gases swept out through the exhaust valve in the atmosphere in exhaust stroke. This exhaust stroke also require 180 degree of rotation. Means in working of 4-stroke diesel engine, suction stroke and compression stroke completed 360 degree of crank rotation, means 1 revolution of crankshaft. Also this expansion and exhaust stroke completed required 360 degree of crank rotation, means 2 second revolution of crankshaft. Means in 4-stroke diesel engine required 720 degree of crank rotation, means 2 revolution of crankshaft for completion of 1 power stroke. That is the working of 4-stroke diesel engine. Thanks.